and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload, which is a few times a week. So if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be unboxing the Maze budget box. Is it the Maze one? Because I received it in June. I'm pretty sure this is the Maze one. But yeah, the most recent budget box that was released just before her All I See Is Sign collection. However, it was shipped afterwards. I don't know why yeah, it is the Maze one because I purchased it in May and she shipped it after the bank holiday 1st of June. Well, she was meant to ship it the 1st of June. She didn't actually ship it until Friday the 4th. So we've been waiting for about a week or two, I think, for the budget box to actually arrive. So I'm not too sure why she done it like that. Luckily, I paid for express shipping because then I got it 24 hours after shipping. So yeah, we're just gonna have a peek through this budget box. I'll link down below the video that I done for the last budget box, just then you get an idea, if you haven't already watched it, of what the sort of things that you do get in each month, because usually going by last month's I thought was really good. I have had a peek in here already, but I'm gonna go show you. So if you want to see what's inside the budget box for P. Louise in May, then please stay tuned. So first of all, packaging is always really good. I think this is the standard budget box packaging that you'll receive. It's quite a small box, but it is jam-packed full of your goodies. And then open it up, got a little pamphlet there which has budget box on it, and these do retail for £30. To be able to get these boxes, you need to be subscribed to P. Louise's website, and then you get an email. And also I would go onto her Facebook takeover page, and sometimes she posts early access in there because she only limits these to 1,000 boxes. So then once they're gone, and they sell like hotcakes as well, so you need to be on it to be able to get one. Inside, all packaged lovely, and as you can see, I can see some lashes in there. So she tries to put in as much as possible of new things, but there will be older things in there as well, which I don't mind, because she says that they're for people that's on a budget who can't afford to get everything all the time. Because I think some people were complaining to say that there was like some old bits in there, but she was like, it's not a box for newness all the time just for £30. It's for people who can't afford to get stuff all the time. But yeah, so inside this one we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. 6 products for £30. Bloody good. Yeah, so the first product I've got is the P. Louise Memo Mitchell Acid Rain Paint in Blank Canvas. So this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love blank canvas. It's literally so good for when it comes to cut creases. I always use it for my cut crease, and I'm happy that I've got a backup because I use it sparingly. To be fair, a small bit does go a long way. And I'm buzzing about this because I've also got the P. Louise base in the shade Summer Blues. So it's a beautiful like baby blue shade there, and I was actually eyeing this up to purchase not that long ago. So I'm so glad I didn't, because now I've actually got something that I don't already have. And then we get a Prime and Define metallic base in Hooked Up. So I believe this is the Rose Gold one. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm pretty sure I've already got this, and if I have, then I will put this into a giveaway. And then we've got some of the new products. So you usually get a few older products and then a few new products. So the first one is the P. Louise Paint. It's in the same formula as the blank canvas, but it's in the new collection. So this is in the shade Must Be the Money, and it's in a gorgeous green shade. So what I'll do is I'm just going to unbox everything, then I will do swatches of it all in a minute. And then we've got a pair of the P. Louise lashes. So these are the style Eyes on My Money. So this is future Chelsea, because I'm just editing my video now. And I was looking on the website to look at the prices. Sorry, this lighting shit. To look at the prices of the lashes and all the other things to put into my video. And the lashes that I receive are in the box and it says Eyes on My Money, but the lashes that are Eyes on My Money on the website are completely different, which is so annoying because I prefer the ones that are on the website. So I've inboxed P. Louise Makeup Academy just to see what they are. So I don't know if these are Eyes on My Money or if these are a different style and they just accidentally packaged them wrong. I'm not too sure, but lashes are £10. So yeah, I don't know what these style are, but in the video I say that they're Eyes on My Money because obviously that's what I thought. So yeah, just a little FYI. Look at that packaging. That packaging looks amazing. Look at that. They're so nice. And these are very beautiful, dramatic lashes. Very, very Instagram. So I'm so excited to try them because I think they'll be lovely. And then last but not least, we've got a palette. So this is what the palette looks like. So it's a stack 'em up, and that packaging just looks amazing. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. How gorgeous does that look? And open it up, and that's what the shades look like. How pretty is that? But the only thing is, I didn't realise how small this palette was going to be. Like, look at this size of the lashes, and then that's how big the palette is. Because I actually thought it was going to be a full size palette, but I didn't realise she's released that these are the actual mini palettes of the mini palette. So this is like a mini palette for the boxes. But yeah, I'm glad that I've got one of these ones because I do want to collect the others that she released. I definitely want the blue one. So I'm pretty sure that everyone's got the same palette in their box because these are like the mini ones just for the boxes. But yeah, it's a good idea though. So I've gone ahead and swatched the bases. So here we've got the first one as, so Must Be the Money, Summer Blues, Hooked Up, and Blank Canvas. So Hooked Up I already had, and Blank Canvas I already had, so I just used my existing ones because I want to put the Hooked Up that I received in the box in a giveaway, so I don't want to open that, and I don't want to open this Blank Canvas yet when I've got like all that to use up. So yeah, I just used those ones, but look at those. I absolutely love that blue base, and that green paint is going to be really nice in contrasting to Limelight, so I reckon these two paints together will probably make a really nice look, so we'll see. And then I've also gone ahead and swatched the palette. So these are all the shades swatched here. These two shades look very, very similar. They're both like a hot pink shade, and this shimmer, it's not really picking up that well on camera, but it's so beautiful. It's like a really light pink with gold reflex in it. But yeah, these swatched really nice actually, and it's a really pretty palette. So yeah, so I think I'm going to do a look or a video and just in general with the lashes and the pink palette very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. And yeah, overall I actually really like this box. I think it's amazing value for money. So it's well over £30, so it's definitely worth it. So I really do think that you need to get subscribed to her website, and then definitely if you love PLOUISE and if you love their product, then it is 100% worth getting. And I'm hoping that I get one each month because literally it's such a good way to be able to afford to get all of our product. Chuffed with all that, and hope you liked this video. If there's anything in here specifically that you want to see first, like a look with the green paint or a look with the Summer Blues base, or obviously the palette and the lashes, then let me know and I'll try and get that up first for you. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and also let me know your thoughts down below, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye!